Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video to my channel. This video is going to be extremely special because I will be exposing a money making method in the meme coin space that is being slept on by everyone, and that is deving meme coins instead of trading them. A lot of people are trading meme coins and losing a bunch of money, but we are creating the coins using viral narratives and making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month. I've been deving meme coins for a couple years now, and for example me, I've made millions of dollars. So in this video I will show you exactly how to create coins with viral narratives. Every single step of the process will be showed and done in this video for free. I've made millions of dollars in the past couple of years from deving meme coins, and I'm the only guy on this app making videos on how to create meme coins without selling or pushing a paid course in your face. So if you are watching this video right now, consider yourself at the right place to watch and to learn how to dev meme coins. Now here is exactly how meme coin devs are making so much money in the trenches, because all they're doing is they're finding viral online narratives and then they're turning them into meme coins. And then when the coin is launched, well, they wait for people to buy in, and then when the coin pumps, well, they sell their supply and they profit thousands or even tens and thousands on each launch. And yes bro, they have nothing to lose. It costs nothing to create and to launch these coins. You can launch as many coins as you want, and the truth is that you only need one coin to go viral to change the whole trajectory of your wallet. And yeah bro, that's why I love deving. Okay, no risk, and you can launch as many coins, and you make money from two different ways. The first way is the creator fees, and the second way is obviously your supply. Now in this video I will show you how to create coins using my strategy, how to find narratives. Everything will be shown and done and explained in this video for free. So without further ado bro, keep watching, let's go. And by the way guys, I am not a financial advisor. I do not claim to be one. I do not constitute any financial advice given in this video, so it's all for educational purposes only. Now first of all, you need to know where to launch your meme coins on and how. So I use launchmemes.io to make my meme coins. Let me explain to you exactly why. Every single meme coin that you make here will go to Raydium immediately, okay, which is the Raydium DEX in the migration section. Every single meme coin here is on Raydium, and the difference between these coins and Pump.Fun coins is that these coins, they have more credibility and they get way more attention and way more buyers. Like look at this, if I go on the 15-second chart, as you guys can see, they all get a bunch of buyers, okay, and that's because of the pure attention on Raydium. But Pump.Fun though, it's oversaturated. You guys need to stay away from launching here because they take control of your coins, and also bro, it's over competitive. There's thousands of coins being created here every single hour, and most of these coins, they get no buyers. So if you want to make your coins on Raydium, you need to be using launchmemes.io. Now making a meme coin here is really simple. Just follow along. You have a couple options. You could either create a coin from scratch. Now this is good if you have a narrative that you want to create that hasn't been done before, or if you have a community or some type of project, you can make it here. Just put a name, symbol, and image. It's as simple as that. You can also use their completely free Twitter tracker, and you can turn live tweets into meme coins. Now this is good if you want to snipe specific narratives made from Donald Trump, Elon Musk, or all these other big accounts. You can snipe them and make coins out of them. That is one other method, but in this video we are going to be using the vamping method, which is my personal favorite method. I've made all my money from copying coins actually. So every single meme coin here is going viral on Pump.Fun. They all have a bunch of buyers, they all went viral or are going viral right now, and they all have a bunch of volume. So we are going to be copying one of these coins back to Raydium to get a shit ton of buyers using that narrative. So that's why it's good. Let me show you how to do it. Now obviously make sure your Phantom Wallet is connected, right? And now it's time to do a live launch and see how much we can make from copying coins. I will walk you through every step, by the way, into making the coin. But yeah, first of all, click on refresh if you want to, and now let's copy a coin. When I copy coins, I don't care about the narrative. They're all good, that's why they're here. Just copy a random one. Go for like one of the top 6 maybe. I'm gonna go for like this one. Click on copy Raydium. Your Phantom will show up, right? Ignore the warning from Phantom. It's completely normal. Every launchpad will get this warning. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then now the coin will be minted. Just wait. My bad. Just wait a couple seconds. Bang! And now let's create the liquidity pool. Now here is really simple. We're creating our Raydium liquidity pool. Like that, it can immediately migrate and go to Raydium and get a bunch of buyers. That's the whole point. For the amount of extract coins, right, the supply, click on 90%. I do this preset for all my launches, so just do it for yourself. For whoopsies, 90%. For the amount of SOL to pair, put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1.2 SOL. Anywhere in between those numbers is perfect for the amount of SOL for your supply. Now this is important for your own supply. Like that, if the coin can get buyers, well, you make money on your supply. And yes, you are not going to lose this money. If you want it back at the end or at any given time, you can, but you need this in, right, for some supply. Click on create pool, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then the coin should be live. Actually, just wait. Boom, click on refresh once and bang, now our coin is live. And as you guys can see, it's live, people can see it and potentially buy in. Let's go see our chart to see if it's pumping or not getting buyers. Let's see. Bang, it's pumping, as you guys can see. But oh my god, people are buying in. Come back to launch memes.io, click on refresh, and we're up $200 already. That is a great sign. We just made 200 bucks in around 10 to 15 seconds. That is a great sign that your coin is getting buyers and that your narrative is good. So that's why I love copying coins, because you get guaranteed viral narratives. Like, that is insane. And by the way, bro, like, you have nothing to lose. This coin costed us nothing to create. So even if it goes down here, well, we can just move on to the next coin. Anyways, let your coin pump, bro. Do not cash out right now. Just let it ride. I'm gonna be right back to cash out, so be right back. Alright guys, I am back and we're at a 50k market cap, right? Everything is looking good. This for me is like an average coin. Maybe for you, if you guys are experienced, well, it was kind of easy to copy this coin, to be honest. But anyways, come back to launch memes.io to cash out. Click on the refresh button, and as you guys can see, we're up $3,000 on this meme coin within like 10 minutes. That's insane, right? Now click on the minus button. Do 100% to remove all, remove liquidity, your phantom will show up, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then we should be fully out of our meme coin. Come on, bang! We just cashed out on everyone, and that's exactly how I dev meme coins every single day. It's really easy, guys. And look at my phantom wallet, bang, we receive our payout, 37 SOL straight inside my phantom wallet. That is $3,000, and obviously it's all for educational purposes only. But launch memes.io will be linked in the comments down below, bro. Like and subscribe, and obviously stay consistent. Just launch over and over again and stay consistent.